Hello students, welcome to digital class of MRMS Varni. This is Mahinder. Now we shall see the decimal expansion of irrational numbers. Let us start with root 2. So we have to find here decimal expansion of root 2 ma. Okay. So right ma, we are using here long division method. Okay. So take 2 here. After 2 I am taking decimal point. Okay. After the decimal point I am writing zeros. So there is no value for the zeros after decimal point. Okay. So make as pairs ma like this. So take a bar on 2 zeros. Okay. So on. Okay. Right. So first of all, look at here ma. So what is the perfect square below the 2? The only possible thing is 1 ma. So 1 into 1 it equals to 1 we got. Okay. So take 1 here as divisor and quotient 1. 1 into 1, 1. So subtract. So it becomes 2 minus 1, 1, isn't it? Right. In the next step, take a point here. Okay. And bring these 2 zeros here. It becomes 100. Okay. Right. So, and in the next step, double this 1 ma. It means 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So now take remainder as 2 here as well as, if I write 1 here, we can multiply with this 1 ma. It means 21 into 1 it becomes 21. Okay. So 21 is very smaller than 100. Okay. We have one more possibility here. Suppose if I take 2 here, we can multiply with 2 ma. Okay. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 44 it is. Okay. Right. We have another possibilities. Okay. Right. For example, if I take 4 here, what it becomes ma? 24 into 4 we have to multiply. Okay. 4 4 is 16, 1 carry, 4 to the 8, 9 it is. Okay. 96. So 96 is sufficient to this. Okay. Now take 96 here and 24 into 4, 96. Okay. Right. What becomes? It is 4 remainder. Okay. Right. Now bring these 2 zeros here. Okay. Second pair of zeros. Okay. Right ma. Next, forget about this point ma. Just consider this 14. So 14 plus 14, what becomes ma? 28. Okay. Now write down 28 here. And suppose if I take 1 here and replace 1 here, what becomes ma? 281 into 1. Okay. 1 1 is 1. It becomes 281. Okay. Right. So 281 is sufficient to this 400, isn't it? Right. 281 and 1 is here. 281 into 1, 281. Okay. Right. Subtract this. Borrow from this here. 10 minus 1, 9 it is. And 9 minus 8, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next, bring these 2 zeros here. It becomes 1 1 9 0 0. Okay. Right ma. Next, consider this 141 ma. Forget about this point. So 141 plus 141. What becomes ma? It becomes 282. Okay. Right. Write down 282. Suppose if I take 1 here, we have to multiply 2821 into 1, isn't it? It becomes 2821. 2821 is very smaller than this 11900. Okay. Right. What we do ma here? So take 2 here. What happens? 2822. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 to the 4, 5. 5 6 4 4. So we have another possibilities also. Okay. That what we do here? Take 282. Okay, right ma. Pause in. 4 4 the 16, 1 carry, 4 to the 8 and 9, 4 8 the 32, 2 is here and 3 carry, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 11. So it becomes 11296. So 11296 is sufficient to this 11900, okay. So first of all we have to write 4 here and place the 4 here. It becomes 11296. 2824 into 4, it becomes 11296. So now subtract, borrow from here. 10 minus 6, it is 4 and 990. 8 minus 2, it is 6. 604, okay. Now again drop these 2 zeros here, okay, right. So in the next step, 1414 plus 1414, what it becomes, ma? 2828, okay. So write down in the next step 2828. So what it becomes, ma? If I take 1 here, we have to multiply 28281 into 1. 28281 into 1. So 28281 we got here. Okay, is it sufficient? No, there is one more possibility. So take into 2. Suppose here 2, here also 2. Suppose you take here 2. What becomes, ma? 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16, 1 carry, 2 to the 4, it is 5. 2 8 the 16, 1 carry, 2 to the 4, 5. It is 56564. Okay, is it sufficient to this? Yes, ma, it is sufficient. So take here 2 and write down here 2. What becomes, ma? 56564. Okay, right. Borrow from here. 10 minus 4, it is 6. 9 minus 6, it is 3 and it is 3. So borrow from here. 13 minus 5, it is 8. Next 9 minus 6, 3. Okay, 3836 is the remainder. So if we continue like that, we get again same numbers. It means like the different numbers. Okay, so they are never terminate. Okay, so the process continues like that only. Okay, so this is the way of finding the decimal expansion of root 2. Okay, we can continue from here. Okay, right, ma, I am stopping here. Write down the notes. Now the remainder is 3836 and take again 2 zeros. Write down here. The process will continue like that only. Okay, it means the quotient also continuously like that. It means here the quotient will not repeat, ma, and non-terminate here. Okay, that is why we call them irrational. Okay, so it will be continuous like that and the process also continuously here. Okay, so I am stopping here. This is the way of finding the decimal expansion of irrational numbers. And is 3836 and take again 2 zeros. Write down here. The process will continue like that only. Okay, it means the quotient also continuously like that. It means here the quotient will not repeat, ma, and non-terminate here. Okay, that is why we call them irrational. Okay, so it will be continuous like that and the process is also continuously here. Okay, so I am stopping here. Remember one thing, ma, here I stopped the problem at 4th decimal, ma. It means after the decimal point 1 2 3 4 I found that 4 decimal places. So if in the question he may ask you to find the decimal expansion up to 4th decimal or 5th decimal or 6 or 7. Suppose if he asks you to find up to 5th decimal, what will do, ma? We have to take one more step, that's it. Okay, we have to continue this process up to one more step, like it means up to 5th decimal. If he asks you 6, we have to take 2 more steps. Okay, that is the meaning of decimal places. Okay, right.